Commanding General, Lieutenant General Enrique Catalino de la Cruz, the CENTCOM Commander, my idol from lately also. Also the Commanding General, the former idol, Lieutenant Liberatore Seroy. Also my idol. Also the former idol na pinalitan ko siya doon, si Sir Gabriel Matatak. At ang ating pong kaklase na si General na ating Chief of First Staff. Ang ating mga nagagandahang mga ladies club sa pamumuno ni Mrs. Liberatore. Tsaka si Mama Lu, tsaka si Mrs. Alamilio na dito nakita ko. Of course, Mrs. Ona, at yung iba pang ladies, nandito pala si Bebe. Bago ko makalimutan, si Pinky pala kasama ko. At saka yung aking dalawang anak na si Charles at saka si Clarice. Si Malu at saka si Tess, sila yung mga inaalagahan ng mga other officers, the other generals, staff, other officers, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'm very much overwhelmed with the fact that I have been given another wonderful opportunity to earn a second star on my shoulder. And it is in this reason that I speak before everybody today. Honored and very much contented to have once again fulfilled one of most revered goals in my life. And allow me therefore to share what I have to offer in return for this opportunity. Noong ako po'y mapromote na Brigadier General, hindi ko halos masukat ang kasiyahan na aking naramdaman sapagkat hindi simpleng karangalan ang mabigyan ng pagkakataon maging general. And along with that happiness, I had a completely invigorated confidence in myself. As I was working as the Assistant Superintendent of the Philippine Military Academy, my promotion had indeed deemed every struggle I hurdled worthy of all my efforts. And now that I have been given another promotion, it makes me even more satisfied. But just out of curiosity, I thought about how the rank came to be and what it would mean as a Major General. After doing some research, I couldn't seem to find what I was looking for, but instead, I stumbled upon a very interesting quote that said, "No man was ever endowed with a right without being at the same time saddled with a responsibility." Relating that to my present circumstances, I can most definitely point out that I have been given the right to wear these 2 stars, along with the delegated task to perform with a much larger role among the ranks of the Philippine Air Force. Needless to say, I clearly understand the enormity of being in this position and the actions it will require me. What I want to express now is the assurance that I shall always do my best to perform beyond what is expected of me, and that I shall do it within the bounds of what is moral and just, and always within the core values of the Philippine Air Force and that of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Let it be my way of showing gratitude to those who have entrusted their confidence unto me. At this point, allow me now to thank those who have helped me see through this enormous achievement. Gusto ko pong pasalamatan ang members ng Board of Senior Officers na pinamumunahan ng ating butihing Vice Commander ng Philippine Air Force, Sir Gabriel Matatak, na binubuo ng other generals, ang ating pong Board of Generals ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, the Secretary of National Defense, and finally the Commander-in-Chief for giving me another great opportunity to serve our country and people. I'd like also to make special mention to our Commanding General, General de la Cruz. who have completely entrusted me his trust and confidence in my abilities. Sir, I will always regard you as a mentor and a very good example to follow. Palakpak naman. Of course, I will not forget my family on this glorious day. Papasalamat ako sa aking asawa. Ito na. Kanina po, pinalalahanan ako ni Sir Gabriel. Baka daw umiyak na naman ako pagdating. Ito na nga. Kaya, ako yung nagpapasalamat sa kanila. Sa aking may bahay at sa aking 5 anak. Kay Corinne, kay Clarice, Charles, Kevin, and Nicky Jr. Sila po ang patuloy na nagbibigay sa akin ng inspirasyon. Para magawang panang po ang aking servisyo ng maayos sa Philippine Air Force. Nais ko rin pong pasalamatan ng Panginoong may kapal dahil binigyan niya ako ng mabubuting tao sa aking tabi at mayroong mabubuting puso at isipan. Nang sa gayon ay magampanan ko ang aking trabaho ng tapat at walang pangamba. I strongly believe that God has more plans for me so that I can share the blessing that He has bestowed upon me. At sa mga iba pang general na naririto ngayon, nung nabigyan ng mga karangalan, ang aking taus-pusong pagbati sa inyong lahat at sa inyong mga pamilya. Congratulations on your well-deserved promotion. To the rest of the officers and men present here today, malugod po kayong pinasasalamatan sa panahong inyong ibinigay sa amin ngayong araw. Tatanawin ko po na ang araw na ito ay isang magandang alaala para sa ating lahat. Para de atundo otras, especialmente mga jóvenes, mucho oportunidad a Liga Canetón. Recibe kita los 2 de summer y para kita din adon abilidad. Mga amigos, mga amigas, muchas gracias, buenas todos, buenos días con todos. Translation in English, thank you very much, mabuhay ang Philippine Air Force.
Thank you, sir. Last but absolutely not the least, who delivers remarks is Lieutenant General Roy O. De Veraturda, AFP, Commander.